Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can verify your Indeed account and how you can start using Indeed. So let's get right into it, and let me first explain what Indeed is. Indeed is a job seeking and employing app, very similar to apps such as LinkedIn and other similar applications or services, where you can select to either be a job seeker, where you can find jobs using certain keywords, company names, job titles, etc., even locations, where you can make your own online resume, where you can directly contact employers or other people, and so on and so forth. And if you're an employer, you can put up job listings and find people to do a job for you. Now, as you can probably imagine, you do need an account for this to work and for you to use Indeed. You could apply without a account. However, I think the process is much more difficult without it. So just register an account and everything will be perfectly fine, and then you can use instant messaging, you'll get alerts, and so on and so forth. But yeah, to create an account, what you want to do is just simply, let me just sign out quickly. You just simply want to go to sign in, and once you're here, just enter your email address. If you do not have an account, one will be created for you. You'll be expected to enter your own password and to select whether you're a job seeker or an employer, and then your account will be made. And what you need to do to verify your account is to just go to your email address, view your inbox, and a confirmation email should have arrived in your inbox. Just click on the link that's provided to you, and you should be logged in perfectly fine. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.